On September 10, in-house reported that Huawei made a surprise move by releasing its latest flagship model, the Mate 60 Pro, ahead of schedule on August 29. This cutting-edge device boasts the Kirin 9000S chip developed in-house and utilizes advanced 7nm domestic process technology. The early release generated significant buzz and attracted eager buyers. According to insiders and sources at Beijing, the launch of the Mate 60 Pro signifies Huawei's strategic return to the mobile phone market. Huawei has embarked on a comprehensive plan with a focus on the domestic market initially and expansion into overseas markets later on. Over the past 3 years, the company has achieved multiple technological breakthroughs, laying the groundwork for this comeback. Future releases will encompass a range of products, diverse distribution channels, and global market penetration. This year, Huawei has revised its mobile phone shipment target, increasing it from 30 million units at the beginning of the year to an ambitious 38 million units, with 20 million units already shipped. Within the remaining 18 million units, industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo from Tianfeng Securities estimates that the Mate 60 Pro may account for 5.5 million to 6 million units. It's worth noting that Huawei initially declared that the Mate 60 Pro wouldn't launch internationally. However, the company has introduced other mobile phone products overseas, including the P60 Pro, the folding screen Mate X3. Over the past 3 years, Huawei's mobile market share declined significantly due to restrictions on 5G chip manufacturing support. It plummeted from nearly half of the Chinese smartphone market to a minimum of less than 10%. Globally and in China, the market share dipped to as low as 3% and 7%, respectively. Share your thoughts on this in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.